Luxury fireplace. Natural wood can be used for ignition, easy access to materials. Watch the fire through the large window, rapid heating. Throttle check valve. Multiple combustion technology, 4 air intakes and 3 combustions. More complete combustion. Open the door to add firewood, no smoke. Large area circulation, heat dissipation. The boiling spell of the fireplace. A few friends drinking tea around the fire. Imported crystal ceramic glass. Safe and durable. High temperature resistant ceramic fiber board. Multiple air inlet holes. Downdraft door controls air supply. Shock blasting treatment. More beautiful. Stainless steel door handle. High temperature resistant ceiling rug. Customization can be accepted.